Infinite Campus has multiple ways to look up in-progress grades for students, but the easiest way to start with any of them is to create an ad hoc filter. A filter is just a selection of students whose grades you want to view, and it can be saved for repeat use throughout the year. From Campus Instruction, click the App Switcher and select Campus Tools. This is the administrative side of Infinite Campus. Click on Ad Hoc Reporting and select the Filter Designer. If you have any filters already, they'll appear in this list. To make a new filter, choose the Selection Editor, click Students, then click Create. You want to title the filter something you'll remember. So for example, if you're creating a selection of your Life Ed students, you might call it Life Ed 1. Now we're going to add the students. This list contains every student in your building, but you can easily find whomever you want just by typing in their name. Click the arrow to add the student to your filter. When you're finished adding students, click Save. If you click on Filter Designer again, now you can see your new filter. If you need to add or remove students, just select your filter, click Edit, and make any changes that you need. Now I'll show you how to use your filter to quickly look up the in-progress grade of any student in the filter. The first way is the Activity Eligibility Report. It displays a simple list of each of the students' courses and their grades. Click on Student Information, Reports, Activity Eligibility. Check the Ad Hoc Filter button and select your filter from the list. Now you have to select a grading term. I'm going to select Quarter 1, but if you're in a different quarter or a semester, you just need to select whatever term you're currently in. Then click Generate Report. The report will download as a PDF. Click to open it and you'll see your students' names, their course names, and their grades in the course. If you don't see a course that you know a student is in, it's probably because their teacher hasn't calculated a grade for them in that course. So that's the first method. The second is using the student profile. This is a tab that appears under student information. It displays grades, attendance information, and upcoming assignments. You could just search for each student and pull up their profile, but it's easier to use your filter. Click on Advanced Search, select the filter from the list, and click Search. Your list of students will show up on the left. Now when you select the Profile tab, you can click on each student in turn and it will show their profile. You can quickly go through each student in the list without having to search for them individually. The final method of viewing in-progress grades uses the Student Dashboard. This displays a report similar to Activity Eligibility, but it also shows accurate cumulative GPA information. Like the student profile, the dashboard is also available on a tab under Student Information. You can load your list using Advanced Search, then quickly click through the dashboard for each student. So those are our three methods of looking up student in-progress grades: the Activity Eligibility Report, the Student Profile tab, and the Student Dashboard. If you need help with any of these methods or with creating an ad hoc filter, just contact the help desk.